We have got here is the second version of the conceptual design. In this configuration we have two stapling machines side by side. Everything is being duplicated except the pneumatic cylinder and the pneumatic valve. So here is somehow similar to the previous design. You have two cartridges which are holding the mask stacked vertically. Underneath, these are the suction plates which are pulling one mask at a time. Once the mask is collected inside the suction plate, it's being the cylinder is being operated by the electronic box, and if you watch this from the top, that cylinder, when it moves to the left, it's bringing two masks together at a certain position where the mask is free to drop from a existing cavity. So it is gravity assisted movement of the mask. It's falling on top of a rotary plate. So that red rotary plate is sitting on top of a scotch system. So that scotch system converts the linear system to the rotational, and what it does is it rotates the mask 180 degrees such that at a time each end is exactly positioned inside the stapling window, and the elastic band is ultrasonically welded to that end. So once one end is finished, the other end is done, and then we'll have the masks completed, the welding completed. So by the suction, the completed mask is moved from the position and dropped inside the basket underneath the welding machines. So as you can see, two rotary systems are identical. So in each stroke we have two masks collected, moved to the welding positions, and then the rotary system will let the mask to have the elastic band welded at each side, and then with the action of suction, the completed mask is taken away from the position and dropped inside a basket. So this is conceptual design. Still we can add detail or make the modification.